Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to access Gemini directly in Chrome. Let's begin. Open Google Chrome and go to google.com. It's recommended to sign in with your Google account for better access, though it's optional. In the search bar, type your question or topic and press enter. For better results, use open-ended or research-style queries. This increases the chances of triggering the AI features. On the search results page, look for the AI overview section at the top. This section gives you a summarized answer powered by Gemini, along with helpful source links. If the AI overview doesn't appear, try rephrasing your query, or note that availability can vary depending on your region. Click on Show More to expand the overview and see additional details and references. This gives you deeper context and lets you explore the topic further. Next, look for and select Dive Deeper in AI mode. This opens the full Gemini experience right inside Google Search. From here, you can ask follow-up questions, refine your results, and interact with the content without starting a new search. If some features are missing, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. So that's basically how you can access and use Gemini directly in Chrome. That's it for this video. Thanks.